Now looking back to Saturday afternoon when Israeli Defense Forces rescued 4 Israeli hostages from Gaza after a complex daytime operation. The hostages include 3 males, 1 female who were kidnapped during the Hamas's October 7th attack. The army identified the hostages as Noah Argamani, Almog Mirjan, Andrei Kozlov and Shlomi Ziv. Released footage show Noah Argamani in an emotional reunion with her father after her rescue. The IDF says all 4 rescued hostages are in good health. Israeli police have announced the death of an officer during the operation. Earlier in the day, Israeli army spokesperson Daniel Hagari said the officer was critically wounded. Hagari also said the operation took place in 2 separate buildings in the heart of a civilian neighborhood and that this is a clear message to Hamas that Israel is determined to bring back all the hostages home. Meanwhile, Gaza saw Israeli attacks from land, sea and air. Reports say the Nusrat camp in Gaza, central Gaza, was hit again, which is a day after the Israeli strike on the United Nations-run school. Palestinian health officials in the Hamas-run Gaza Strip said 210 Palestinians were killed in airstrikes in the same area in one of the bloodiest single incidents of the war. It was not immediately clear if the hostage rescue and the Israeli air assault were part of the same operation, but both took place in Al-Nusrat, that's a densely built up and often embattled area in this war between Israel and Gaza's ruling Hamas. Thousands of displaced Palestinians were sheltering at the Al-Sardi school, which is linked to the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, when the school came under attack. It was the second attack on a UNRWA school in 2 days. The Israeli raid came after the military announced a new ground and air assault on several refugee camps in central Gaza. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.